Morning, sweetie. What are we doing today?
Apparently we're going to a place called Panda Mart. It just opened 2 days ago, but it already has 60 reviews and 4 stars on Google.
Oh.
And apparently it's just like a place for, what did the Reddit post say?
Wholesaler people to offload this stuff. People are saying it's kind of just like a Temu with a storefront.
I love Temu.
You also love big crowds and lining up for things and finding parking. These are all your favorite things to do.
And then we might get Taco Bell. I don't know.
We'll see.
We'll see. And then we might be seeing Jess for dinner today.
Okay, bye.
Home City.
Is this Barista brother?
Delicious.
Barista sister.
The shop is like that red one.
It goes all the way.
Oh my gosh, as if.
Hey guys, just an update. Panda Mart was extremely busy to the point where it took like 15 minutes just to get into the car park, and the line wrapped around the building, the warehouse, whatever it was. So we are now abandoning that crowd to get amongst another crowd, which is Springvale. Springvale's normally just as hectic, so we'll let you know when we're there.
We went to a Green Day concert yesterday, so we're both pretty tired. So.
Our voices are a bit croaky as well from screaming out some of the lyrics.
It was good though. Can't believe they still perform so well, even though they're so, how do I say this nicely, advanced in age.
Billy Joel looks the same, basically. Yeah. I wonder if we're allowed to like show like some clips of the concert.
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah. It's like mom's breath.
Alright, we'll see you guys.
Bye. So my wife is gonna analyze the ingredients and then make her own version. Just
The
by
only
looking
part
at it.
I'm not sure about is the fermented tofu. Like, I don't know what kind of fermented tofu it means.
Yeah. What is fermented tofu? Is it daosi?
It's the red
For
color
you.
one.
Oh. So this is what you use in char siu, apparently. A fermented red bean curd, spicy. What is it? It is red hot bean curd. What does it actually contain? I have no idea.
This one is like moldy.
Some of these look really nasty. We've got the blue cheese bean curd apparently. We've got the original flavour, some chili ones. We're going with the blood red.
Where's the other one?
Becca makes a mean rendang.
Not from scratch.
No, we use a paste.
Oh, this one.
It's not this one?
It's this one and this one.
Combined?
You do a mix.
Yeah.
That's the yummiest.
The more you know, so apparently you combine this one with this one, and it's like the ultimate. Probably need to get some more beef.
Yeah.
That's a lot smaller than it used to be. Malaysia has a dessert called cendol, and they serve this drink here called a 3-colour drink, which controversial, but I think it's better than cendol.
Disagree.
What are your thoughts on the 3-colour drink, sweetie, versus cendol?
This one tastes more like plain.
I break the egg, let it run a bit, and then this is the good stuff. This is what makes the dish. Yummy.
Oyo. Oyo. Oyo.
Clean cut.
Is that the real way to eat watermelon?
Also, the watermelon got sweeter over the week.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
Oh, another one? It's called marking your territory. Meeko is very well known for that. Yeah, oh. Sense this part out. She likes doing this after her walks, her doo-doos. Nice.
You comfy, Meeko.
This is the unboxing of the brand new Ricoh GR3X, the HDF version. Just received this today as it was my anniversary recently, and my wife decided to get me a present, so she's decided to get me a new camera as I was asking for one. Underneath we've got the actual camera itself. Let's see if I can take that out. Let's set that aside first, just see what else we get with it. We get a little, I'm assuming it's like a wrist strap type thing. That's the battery there. And then in addition we've got a Ricoh adapter. I think it's a charger for the battery itself. A power adapter for Australia. And then we've got some odd cables. So USB-C and a USB-A cable. Let's have a look at the camera itself. Here we are. The GR3. Okay, so I've just loaded in the battery. I am going to put in, just going to put in an SD card. Alright, so the battery's in there. Let's fire it up. Here it is in all its glory. I'm just going to run through the settings now and make it perfect for myself.
Say hi. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think so. That's so close. Oh my God, Jesus. Oh, as if. As if. That's so Are you okay? Where is he? Nice.
And your napkins.